Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and today I will show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. Let's open Play Store, tap on the right upper corner, click on this arrow and click to add another account. Go for Google, use verification method, in my case it's fingerprint sensor. Right now input your new email, click on password and just input it. Right now click next in the right bottom corner, tap agree. Right now we can go back, open Play Store another time. When you tap on the right upper corner, right now we can easily switch between accounts. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.